Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another video. I am Tsholo Phoka for those that are new to this channel. On this video, I'm gonna be discussing the 9 must-haves that are essential. Well, in my natural hair journey, they were essential because they help me to retain length, they help me to keep my hair moisturized, as well as they just make my natural hair journey very easy. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button as well as the notification button to be notified of every time I post a new video if you haven't already. And let's get straight into this video. The first must-have that I'm going to talk about is a spray bottle. I hope you guys have spray bottles. You can keep water that you keep moisturizing your hair with in this bottle, or you can make your own hairspray by adding some olive oil or any oil that you prefer for your natural hair, some leave-in conditioner, as well as some water that you would spray every night. I use this water bottle every single day, so it's very essential for me. It has kept my hair moisturized and it's something that I can't live without at the moment. The next must-have you must definitely have is this metal Afro comb. I've had this Afro comb for about 9 years. It has lasted me so long. It's very durable, nothing fell apart, it's still strong, it still helps me comb my hair and not create frizz because it's metal. There are no splits or breakages in this comb, so it just helps me keep my hair healthy without breaking my hair too much. I just love this metal comb and I'm probably gonna keep it for life until it does fall apart, which I doubt it will because it's keeping strong. The third natural hair tool must have are these crocodile clips, also known as styling clips. I've used these clips ever since I've gone natural. I've just kept on replacing them as they break because I literally use them for everything. I use them when I'm detangling my hair, when I'm styling my hair to keep my hair in sections so I can open clean and neat lines. They also help me when I'm re-moisturizing my hair or deep conditioning my hair to keep my hair in sections so that the hair that I'm working on can be in its own section and that the hair that I've already worked on can be on its own section. I'll also use these if I want to maybe create length on my wash and go. I just put them on the bottom of the hair with product and it will weigh down my hair, but my hair usually does shrink after a wash and go, but it won't shrink that much if I do use these styling clips. So these clips I literally use for every single thing. Another natural hair must-have are these detangling combs. These detangling combs have made my life very easy when it comes to wash day because they cut down my wash day. I used to detangle my hair using my fingers because I believe that retained more length, but I've learned how to actually comb my hair more carefully using these detangling combs from the bottom going up, so they do not break my hair much if they do, or at all, because I don't see any breakage. The only thing that is usually on this detangling brush is my hair shedding, which normally happens during wash day. Other people love using tangle teasers, but I don't know about those. I haven't tried them. I've just tried these detangling combs, so maybe I'll try that in another video and I'll give my review on those. The fifth natural hair must-have are these satin scarves that I have. I have 2, and then the satin bonnets that I have. They keep my hair moisturized at night and also they keep my hair very shiny. I use this satin bonnet, satin cap, when I have maybe an afro or a twist out or something that I want to retain the shape of, or maybe I have a pineapple and I don't want it to shrink, or just braids. And then I'll just use these satin scarves when I have maybe when I have cornrows or when I have a style that needs to be kept sleek, like a sleek bun. These do keep my hair very sleek, and sometimes I don't even need gel because I can just use these satin bonnets at night, and when I wake up my hair just looks sleek as if I put on gel. Moving along to the next must-have, it's these hair shears, or also known as hair clips or hair scissors. These scissors are not just for trimming your hair, which is quite important in a natural hair journey when you see that your hair is not looking healthy, or when you're just experiencing a lot of tangles and you just maybe want to make sure that your hair is healthy without tangle and without frizz or without damage at the ends. You'll just trim your hair, but these are also important during your hair wash day. When you do experience a lot of tangles, you can cut them one by one, or also you can also use these shears when you are styling your hair and you experience tangles. You can just remove them with these shears, because sometimes you can't just remove those tangles using your fingers. The seventh natural hair must-have, if you're someone who loves styling your hair, are bobby pins. They always go missing and you'll never know where they went missing, because when you're cleaning you will never find these bobby pins. They somehow disappear and you have to keep on replacing them. I use these bobby pins when I'm styling my hair. As you can see now, this is not a bun. I've just clipped my afro back to create that type of fuller bun. These clips help me so much with everything, whether I'm braiding, whether I'm doing these hairstyles, or even when I just want to secure my bun that I do, which uses a hair tie. As I was talking about hair ties, usually when I do a pineapple, I'll use these hair ties and then I'll secure it with hair pins. And also this hair tie that I use, sometimes if I want a sleeker bun, which I use and also will secure with a pin, I usually use these hair ties that are made from old stockings or pantyhose, and they are much more useful for my hair, because if I buy those smaller hair ties or hair bands that you call them, they actually do not fit on my afro hair. They are too small. Sometimes they are not too elastic for my hair, so I just decided this is the only thing that will actually work for my natural hair, and it has been working quite well since I've ever went natural. I've never bought hair bands. I just make them from my old stockings and I call it a day. And then the last thing that you really need to have for your natural hair and to keep it healthy is an old t-shirt or a microfiber towel. I use this old t-shirt when I'm washing my hair to dry my hair or deep conditioning my hair, and it doesn't break my hair like a normal towel would, so I prefer using a t-shirt. I do have a microfiber towel, but even with this microfiber towel, it doesn't dry my hair quite well as this t-shirt will, so I just keep on using these t-shirts every time I wash my hair. These are old t-shirts that I'll never use ever again, because they do get quite oily even if you wash them, so I'll just use them for my hair. So thank you for watching, guys. If you've made it this far, do leave a comment below on your natural hair must-haves, the most essential tools for your natural hair that keep your hair looking healthy, that keep your hair moisturized, and also that help make your natural hair journey very easy. So I'll see you in the discussions below. Do not forget to also like, and goodbye.